Okay. Good afternoon, all. Myself, Professor Aarti Valsam, Assistant Professor in CSE Department and AGPIT Solapur, and the event coordinator. So today's event is Successful Startup Founder, so which is organized under the IIC. And for this event, I just want to welcome our Dr. S.A. Patil, sir, Principal of AGPIT Solapur, and Dr. V.V. Poddar, sir, Vice Principal of this AGPIT Solapur, and IIC Chairman, Professor Surekha Sakre, ma'am. So I welcome all HODs of all department and my colleague and my dear friends. So again, I just extend my warm welcome to our today's guest, that is Mr. Vishwanath Vatkar. He is one of our alumni. I am proud to announce his name that he is one of our alumni, and we are very proud to him to at this stage. So I just hand over the mic to Kunda Madam to give the introduction to this today's event.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm here to give introduction about today's speaker, Mr. Vishwanath Vatkar. He is the former CEO of Uniform Solar in Bangalore, and he's CEO at Bit Evaluation Technology, which is one of the IT service provider, top IT service provider in Solapur. And he's working in robotics, automation, and cloud computing. He has also published more than 200 technical papers and many inventions he has made. He has also designed and developed the Sarthi robot that is used for the COVID-19 care robot for Central Railways. Within 8 days, he has developed this robot and successfully deployed in different COVID wards and isolation centers that were associated with railway hospitals. The work is appreciated by Honorable Central Railway Minister of India, Mr. Piyush Goyal. So he has expertise in many of the fields, as we have seen the many current fields which are there, that is robotics, industrial automations, robotic arm, 2D, 3D, CN technologies, IoTs, cloud computing, AGV platform, then microcontroller programming, SPM product design and development, technical writer, and he has also published on robotics, that is evolution of robotic. So we're very proud to say that as an alumni, one of our student, so he has achieved so much up till now at this stage. Okay, so welcome you once again, Vatkar. Okay, so now,
thank you.
Yeah. Now I request our principal, Dr. S.A. Patil, sir, to please address this session.
Okay, good afternoon all, and welcome Vishwanath Vatkar.
Thank you, sir.
I'm very happy to welcome you again on this platform.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Our institute has started with Institute Innovation Cell IIC, and under this IIC we are conducting various programs so that the innovation and creativity that is nurtured among the students, and our students, okay, just like you also, they will become the entrepreneurs. So I'm very happy to inform all the students that he is one of our alumnus, and he has worked in robotics. Already Kunda madam has given his introduction. He has supplied such robots, COVID robots, to some of the COVID centers in Solapur. Yeah, so he's right from Solapur, very near to us, all of us. Okay, so his speech or his guidance will be a sort of inspiration to all our students as well as the faculties, so that instead of going behind the jobs, so they can think of some entrepreneurship and some startup. So especially for girl students, those who want to go outside, okay, those who want to do something here only, so it will be really inspirational to them. So I once again welcome Mr. Vishwanath Vatkar, okay, and I'm sure that all students will enjoy this speech. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. So I request to our today's guest, that is Vishwanath Vatkar, you just please proceed further.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. First of all, I'm very proud to feeling proud to be conducting this particular lecture, because conducting a lecture in our own college, it's a big thing, and everyone it's a big thing. So I'm very things with you, and as madam told me like that. Basically, I would like to deliver this particular session in our mother tongue or different languages. I have to use Marathi, Hindi, English, whatever. I think so. It's an online lecture, and so many times what I feel, online lecture is like a one way. So if anyone has a doubt or anyone has any query in between my session, so you can raise your hand and you can directly ask me by unmuting your mouth, unmuting your mic. Okay. So first of all, good afternoon, friends. And as Madam introduced to myself, I am from the AGPIT college, and everything she introduced to myself. But the thing, I will not taking extension, and I will directly starting. तर बेसिकली काय होतं की इंजिनिअरिंग आपण सगळेजण म्हणतो, आणि इंजिनिअरिंगला आल्यानंतर प्रत्येकाच्या डोक्यामध्ये एक असं असतं की आता आपल्याला जॉब करायचा आहे. येस, तर जॉब करायचा, आणि ह्याच पर्टिक्युलर दृष्टिकोनातून प्रत्येक जण आपली इंजिनिअरिंग करत असतो. तर जॉब करायचं सोडून असे किती जण आहेत की जे बाबा नाही, मला जॉब सोडून एक बिझनेस पण स्वतःचा करायचा आहे. तर थोडस मला छान वाटेल की एखादं कमेंट करून किंवा थोडस तुम्ही जर मला हँड रेज करून काहीतरी जर इंटिमेशन दिलं तर या व्हेरी गुड. प्रज्वल मयूर जाधव, या राईट, व्हेरी गुड. सो इट विल बी लाईक इंटरॅक्टिव्ह. then Mayur and Pooja have raised hand. Yeah, right. So my dear friends, before starting, one more thing I would like to say that in our college, COVID